Hello, welcome to Feliz Math Tutor. Today I'm going to talk about writing equations of lines in algebra. I will talk about two types of form, which is slope-intercept form and point-slope form of equations. So let's start with first slope-intercept form. When I say slope-intercept form, we will think y equals mx plus b. So m here, our slope, and 0 B point is our y-intercept. So this is why we call slope-intercept form, because we can see slope and y-intercept from this equation easily. So let me show one example so we can understand what we are talking about. So let's say we have y equals 3x minus 6. So from this equation, I can easily say my m, which is my slope, is 3, and 0, negative 6 point is my y-intercept. So if I want to graph this equation, I can also put y equals 0 in this equation. So our equation was 3x minus 6. I put 0 for y, 3x minus 6. So 3x equals 6, x equals 2. So I have 2 points, which is 2, 0, and 0, negative 6 points. Now I can graph my equation. Let's say I have something like that. So my 0, negative 6 point is, let's say, negative 6 here. So this is my negative 6. 0 is negative 6 point. Let me write it like that. And then these two numbers, 1 point here, 2, 0 point. So when I use these 2 points, I can graph my line. So let's start from this point here. Okay, so this is my y equals 3x minus 6 graph. Okay, let me give you one more example. So if it's not like, so if I have equation, if it's not look like y equals mx plus b, so how can I this equation make look like this equation? So first I should leave y in the one side, another side is x and numbers. So I'm writing 3x plus 4y equals 8. So for leaving y alone, I will take away 3x from here and minus 3x from here. Okay, so 4y equals 8 minus 3x. And then I should divide by 4 both sides. So I will have 2 minus 3 over 4x. So let me do one more thing. So y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 2. So I switch 2 and 3 over 4x, so it can be exactly look like my slope-intercept form. Okay, so now easily we can say my slope is -3/4, and my y-intercept is 0, 2 point. Y-intercept. Okay, it's easy. Just try to leave y on the left side and the other things on the right side. Okay, so we have one more form, point slope form. Point slope form is y minus k equals m x minus h. So in here, h and k is a point on the line. It's a point on the line. Okay, and m, same, it's slope. So this is our point slope form. So for point slope form, if we know slope and a point of the line, then we can write equation of it. Or if we know 2 points of the line, then we can write equation of it. So for if we have a point and slope, we can write our equation, or we need 2 points. Let me show an example so we can understand better with example. So our slope is 2. So this is m, and point is 3, 2 point. So this is k and this is h. Okay, so we can write our equation. So let me choose another color. So y minus k equals m x minus h. So we know k is 2, m is 2, x minus 3. So this is my point slope form. So if I want to write point slope intercept form, we can transform it to point intercept form. So I want to convert this to y equal mx plus b form. What should I do? So my equation y minus 2 x minus 3. So I will write y minus 2 equals 2x minus 6 and y equals 2x minus 6 plus 2, which is y equals 2x minus 4. So this is my slope intercept form. Okay, so we can convert them each other. Okay, if I have 2 points on the line, so can I write the equation? Yes, we can. So we know slope is change in y's and change in x's. So what is my y's is 2 and -6. So 2 minus 6 over. So these are my y. Let's say this is y1 or y2 and whatever. So this is x1, this is x2. So 3 minus 1. So it's equal is 8 over 4, which is 2. So I find 2 m equals 2. Then I can use slope point form. So what was my slope point form? Y minus k equals m x minus h. So this is formula. So I will use y minus k. So I will choose this point from here. Let's say my point is 2, 3, 2 point. So this is my h, this is my k. So k is 2 equals, we found m here. So my m is here, 2, x minus h is 3. Okay. So we write point slope form. Okay. Now I want to talk about horizontal and vertical lines equation. So if I say x equal 4 in the purple, we see this line x equal 4 because all the point on this line has x equal 4. Let's say I have choose this point here, this point on the line. X is 4, y is 2. Let's say I have choose this point on the line, x still 4 and y is 7. Or let me say this point I choose, my x 4, y is negative 5. As you can see on this line, all the x values are 4. So this is why we call this line is x equal 4. Similarly, y equals 4. This is a purple line, as you can see. So when I choose one point, let's say this point I am choosing, this point is negative 5 and 4. Let's say this point on the line, we have x equals 2, y equals 4. On this line, every point has y value 4, but x value is changing. Okay, so let's say if I have x equal negative 2, how can I graph it? So since x is negative, it will be on this here negative sign. So I need to draw a line like that. This is my x equal negative 2. Let's say I have, let me choose another color. If I have x equal 7, so where is x equals 7? 6, 7 here. So I need to draw a line like that. This is my x equals 7. So let me find same values but with y equals, let's say y equal negative 2. So let's say y equal negative 2. So here y is equal negative 2. So my line is here. Okay. How about y equals 7? So y equals 7 something here. Okay. Because y is 7 here. Okay. Hopefully it helps. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.